Welcome to Warp Drive, your science fiction storytelling channel. A group of friends had always been fascinated by the stars. They would often spend their nights stargazing and dreaming of the far-off planets and civilizations that might exist out there in the universe. One night, as they were camping in the woods, they saw a bright light in the sky. Before they knew it, they were surrounded by a group of aliens who captured them and put them into hibernation. Years passed, and the friends remained in a state of suspended animation, unaware of the passage of time. But then, one day, they were awakened by a little alien girl who had somehow managed to bypass the security systems of the alien vessel. The girl explained that her species had been at war with the aliens who had captured the friends. She had discovered them in stasis and had been watching over them ever since, waiting for the right moment to wake them up. The friends were shocked to learn that they had been asleep for so long. The alien girl revealed that her species had developed a technology that allowed them to manipulate time, so what had seemed like years to the friends had actually been just a few months in real time. The planet they were on was completely inhospitable to human life, but the little alien girl had a plan. She explained that the aliens who had captured them were using the planet as a base for their war effort. If they could destroy the base, it would deal a severe blow to the aliens and potentially end the war. The friends were hesitant at first, but the little alien girl convinced them that they were the best hope for victory. She showed them how to operate the advanced alien technology and gave them a crash course in space combat. As they prepared for the assault, the friends marveled at the incredible technology they were using. They had never seen anything like it on Earth. The alien girl explained that her species had developed technology far beyond what humans were capable of, including faster-than-light travel, cloaking devices, and energy weapons. The battle was intense, with the friends piloting advanced spacecraft and engaging in dogfights with the alien forces. But their training paid off, and they managed to disable the base's defenses and destroy it from within. As they made their escape, the friends couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the incredible universe they had just witnessed. They said goodbye to the little alien girl, promising to stay in touch and learn more about her species. As they set off into the stars, they knew that they were forever changed by their experience. They had seen the limits of human technology and the incredible possibilities of the universe. And they were determined to keep exploring, to keep pushing the boundaries of what was possible.